going, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. Doing a service on this little 70 we got here on this Maverick, one of our old good clients. Color's a little worn. If you can see it, you see little creases there. Tie and tail of that water pump's already go, but this is why I replace the key. I do a kit every time I drop one of these, because I replace this key. A lot of guys won't do these gaskets or the key. I mean, look at that key. That's about ready to fail. When that key goes, all the drive shafts can do is spin, and it's not going to pump any water, and you're going to overheat your motor. So you do it, do the key, and also over time then this thing will get stuck in there, and then you get a nightmare of a time trying to get that out. So little tech tip for you: do a whole kit. Boom. See, there's part number for the 70. There you go, get it done, guys. That is what the key is supposed to look like. All right, we're gonna go now.